If you're wondering how to use Oyster for global talent management, then stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Oyster to hire, manage, and pay remote talent all over the world. If you're new to Oyster, it's an innovative platform that simplifies the complexities of global hiring and compliance. It's perfect for companies expanding their talent pool internationally. Whether you're scaling your startup or managing an enterprise-level team, Oyster makes it easier to connect with top talent without the usual administrative hassle. Before we dive into the features, I want to let you know that you can try Oyster completely free by using the first link below, and we've also got some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the core functionalities of Oyster and how you can use them to manage your global workforce. First off, one of the standout features of Oyster is its global payroll solution. With Oyster, you don't need to worry about setting up local entities or dealing with compliance issues in different countries. It lets you easily pay employees in over 180 countries, handling all the local tax and labor laws automatically. This means that you can focus on what matters, growing your business and fostering talent. No more worrying about navigating different tax systems or manually calculating salaries in various currencies. Next up, Oyster's talent management tools are a game changer. You can onboard new hires, manage their documents, and track performance all in one place. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it simple to stay organized, even as you scale. Plus, you'll get access to Oyster's library of resources and guides, which are tailored to specific countries and regions, helping you stay compliant with local laws while building an efficient global team. Another powerful tool is Oyster's contractor management system. You'll be able to easily manage contracts, payments, and compliance for contractors across the globe. Whether you're hiring for short-term projects or full-time engagements, Oyster ensures you're covered in terms of both legal and financial requirements. This saves you time and ensures that you're working with your contractors in the most efficient way possible. And it doesn't stop there. Oyster provides a secure platform for storing all your employee data. Whether it's personal information, contracts, or payment details, everything is encrypted and stored in compliance with global data protection laws. This level of security ensures that your company is not exposed to unnecessary risks. In terms of customer support, Oyster stands out. They offer dedicated account managers who are there to help with any questions you have about managing your global team. Whether you're dealing with payroll issues or need help navigating a specific country's labor laws, you can count on their team for fast and effective support. As you can see, Oyster is a comprehensive solution for global talent management. From payroll to compliance, onboarding, and performance tracking, Oyster covers all your needs in one platform. And if you're looking to take your global team management to the next level, you can use Oyster for completely free from the link below with our exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to grab your free trial before the offer expires. This is an opportunity you won't want to miss, and it's an easy way to see how Oyster can help you streamline your global talent management processes today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your extended free trial.